Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Saasaro mobile app to manage your hotel. In this app, you can manage your rooms, rates, inventory and booking easily from your phone. After logging into the app, you will see the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see important information like today's check-ins, today's checkout and connected OTAs. One important feature in the app is the sold out open rooms option. If you want to choose or open your rooms for a certain date, first select the start date and choose end date. Then choose the room category. After that, select the OTAs where you want to apply the change. If you want to selling the rooms, click the sold out button. If you want to make the rooms available again, click on the open button. Next, there is a bookings option beside the dashboard. Here the hotel can manage all reservations. In this section you can see latest bookings where the most recent reservations you can see. And next is all bookings, a complete list of bookings. And last one is OTAs booking, bookings that come from online travel agencies. Next is the rate section where hotels can update their room prices. Click on update rates, select the start date and end date. Enter the room price, enter the extra adult price, then enter the extra child rate and then click submit to save the changes. There is also a calendar view where hoteliers can see their room rates in calendar format. And next one is inventory section. The app also allows hotels to manage their inventory, which means the number of available rooms. If you want to increase the inventory, click on plus button, and if you want to decrease the inventory, click on the minus button. This helps the hotel keep their room availability updated across all channels. So, using the Saasaro mobile app, hotel can easily manage bookings, rates, inventory and rooms in one place. Thank you for the watching.